I just got ready to go out with my friend. We need to do her birthday shopping. Like strangely, her birthday is on the same date as my little sister's birthday, so we're family already. Come with us on shopping. Let's go. The weather is so good today. I mean, it's still cold, but at least it's sunny a bit. The weather's good. Let's go. This is my regular walk to uni and how beautiful it is. Yeah, we are finally reunited again and she got me my gift. I feel like wearing it right now, but anyways, let's go
and make vlog again.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
No, it's like a it's like
We are in Cabot Palace. Yeah, that's what it's called. And we'll see what we can find. Yeah.